It's easy. Right. Come on. Look, you made it. We're heading up there to the Black Hill Trail right now. Let's go do this. Come on, guys. Let's go. So my son doesn't want to walk. Do it.
Yay, I'm done.
Deep Valentine, deep Valentine. Go. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I can't do it. It's too heavy. Oh.
It's too heavy. It's too heavy.
That's a mountain. Oh.
You still back there, Sieng? Hope so. Sieng, where's your hat? We are looking for it. Yeah, where's your hat at? I can't find your hat anywhere. Where's your hat? It's a good hike so far. We're going uphill. Huff and puff time.
He has a lot of energy. He should go over here.
I know. Sieng has a lot of energy, but my energy is spent. Guess we're getting close. We're almost there. The view is pretty good, huh? Looks like we're getting closer.
Wow, it's here.
Whew. I'm breathing hard. Good workout. Come on, speed up. You can do this. Come on. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Okay, now we gotta climb this way. Let's go up. Okay, let's climb. Come on, Cian, go.
Go, you lead the way so he knows.
Come on, this way. This way. Come on, this way. Yeah, right.
Oh, Daddy.
Right here. Come on. Come on. You do this. It's easy. Right. Come on. Look, you made it. Let's spin. That's a good climb. I don't know if that's 2 miles, but it was one good climb. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna go back down now. So you're gonna already beat me, so I gotta catch up to them. Say bye, Yang. Say bye. Say bye.